Hey guys, JC here, Car Logic Group, the home of the Guaranteed Credit Approval and First Time Buyers Program. And you know, we're in unprecedented times right now, and so we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. We're going to be making appointments. Give me a call when you want to come down and see one of our vehicles, or if you want to come down and take a look at whatever vehicle we're going to have for you. We want to make sure that everything's sanitized and ready for you to drive. So give me a shout. Let's make an appointment, get you in here at a certain time, because we're going to be spacing it out so that there's not as many people here at the same time. So listen, we've sanitized all the cars, we've sanitized inside the dealership, and we just want to make sure that everybody's safe. And like I said, in these unprecedented times with this coronavirus and everything. That being said, we've got a 2016 Volvo XC60. This is a T5 drive. Now this is a 2.0 liter turbocharged with an 8-speed transmission. The vehicle gets 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 on the interstate. You've got 240 horsepower. This is an awesome, safe vehicle. It's considered one of the safest vehicles on the planet. It's got lane departure. It's got also something that you don't see a lot, which is a city safety collision avoidance. If somebody with a bicycle or somebody's walking in front, it's going to apply the brakes for you, so these people stay safe and that you stay safe. He's got a rear camera, blind spot monitor, and also blind spot braking. So you've got 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. Just an awesome vehicle, folks. Plenty of room in here. It seats 5. It's got steering wheel mounted controls, blind spot warning, cruise control, tire pressure monitor. It's got an 18.5 gallon tank and 18-inch alloy wheels. Rain sensors, auto headlights, rear window defogger, and it's even got a power lift gate. Now you've got the backup camera, and you've got also the backup monitors here also. This is not only a great looking vehicle, as I said before, it's one of the safest vehicles out there. Volvo has always been noted for having the safest vehicles on the planet, and this is no exception. This is a great looking vehicle, but also, if God forbid there's an impact, it's designed to save your life. You're completely surrounded in airbags. Here, folks, let's take a look inside. Now, this is all hands-free, so you've got power windows, door locks, power driver seat and passenger seat with memory seating, 3-position memory seating for the driver. Auto headlights, have fog lights. Everything is right here. Fingertips, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, CD player. It's got AM/FM satellite radio with navigation. It's a great looking vehicle, keyless entry, and you also have anti-theft deterrent. Really safe vehicle. Now you've got seating for 5, as I said before, and here in the back, super comfortable, lots of space. In the center over there, that armrest opens up, and there's 2 cup holders with also a little bit of storage back there. You've got cup holders in the front over here also. Right there, cup holders, and you just close it back up and it's hidden. Okay, you've got sports mode. As I said previously, you have an 8-speed automatic shift. Great vehicle. Hey folks, come on by and see us here in Mount Juliet, 12295 Lebanon Road. You know, or you can always hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Or give me a call, 615-281-9425. Make an appointment, come on down and see me. You know, we'll be ready for you. We'll have everything that you need in advance and save you a whole lot of time. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. JC Car Logic Group. Bye for now. Oh, the 6-foot rule. Bye for now.